I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest smoky eye. Going in, starting from the outside corner and working backwards, I'm taking the pencil and I'm very gently dragging it backwards. And then I'm going to turn my head away from the mirror and access that inner corner of the eye. I'm then going to go up underneath the lash line. Now, a lot of people don't do this. It can be quite irritating, but if you're doing it yourself and you're very gentle, you should be fine. It makes such a big difference to the intensity of your lashes. Now I want to lift my outer corner, because if I continue to take that shade down, you can see I'm going to end up dragging the eye down. So I'm going to very gently take that shade upwards and outwards like that. Now I'm going to start working that backwards again. I've got quite a bit of product on, so that's going to blend out really well. I'm going to take a little jewel eye brush and I'm going to just smudge that in. So I'm smudging the top line. That's why it doesn't matter if it's a little wonky or a little uneven on the top, because I'm actually just going to blend it out anyway. End up with a really soft sort of smoky wing. Then I'm going to take the warmth wand. I'm going to just dab into the end of the warmth wand, and you'll find this cream so easy to work with. And then you can see how beautiful and rich this cream is. That's why I like using it for a smoky eye, because it really does have quite a rich intensity to it, but it's so easy to blend out. Taking it underneath, just with what's left on the brush. And then I'm going to take a cleaner brush and I'm just going to soften out that top line. That is the top so far. It's taken just a few minutes. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to put the black pencil on the waterline under, so underneath on the lower lid. And you want to be quite generous with the application here, because this is what really gives that smoky eye look its intensity. You want to make sure you're connecting up the top here. And that has really smoked up that underneath. And then I'm just going to take a little cotton bud here. I don't want it so thick there. Warmth wand underneath the black. Again, and softening off that brown. Adding a little bit more pigment to the lid. And you really want to be dragging it outwards and upwards so that the eye is really elongated. See how much bigger this eye looks now? Now it looks a bit crazy when you've only got one eye done, but I'm going to finish the rest of my face and I'm going to show you at the end. And that is a quick and easy smoky eye that will lift the outer corners of your eyes and really give you that definition.